This 2013 Fleetwood Terra 35K is a Class A RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bath. This 2013 Fleetwood Terra 35K is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.